Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube video and a tour of my daughter's bedroom slash nursery. She's 16 months, so I don't know what you call it these days, if it's a nursery or a bedroom. But this is the finished product, which I promised I would share in my vlog. So we kept the bedroom furniture from her bedroom in our old house because there was nothing wrong with it, so I don't see why not. We never used the changing top on this, if I'm honest, and she definitely doesn't need it now. So I got these boxes from Lywood, and we haven't actually really filled them yet, but they're going to be great for storage. Oh, is there something in there? No, just an empty box. A box in a box. So I've just decorated it at the moment with some her little Miss Princess books or whatever they are, like they're all lots of Little Miss books. And this snake, which is also from Lywood. I will link everything below, and these all fold flat too, and great, they're really good storage. And then these are, I'll link everything, but this is really great furniture. This turns into a cot bed, and then you can actually, I think, buy something for £100 that makes it into a double bed. So it's literally a bed for life. And then we've got these shelves, which are from IKEA. This is from Lywood, just a little toy clock. There's loads of other things to go with it too, and I just thought it looked quite cute as like a piece of decoration. This, I need to get one done for baby boy. Has a date and time and birth weight and everything. It just looks really cute. Little Staub, not Staub, that's the plot pot, Stife teddy bear. And then these are little night lights. I don't know how you turn them on, but yeah, we haven't turned them on yet, but little night lights from Lywood as well. And then this actually just came today, and I was like, this is a finishing touch. I'm ready to share. It's some bedding from a brand called Amarel. I'll link them, and they do baby and adult bedding, and I just love this floral. I think it looks so nice with the colour on the walls. They had this already and I really liked it, so we replaced it because theirs was a bit old, and painted it, but it's like a picture rail. And I just quite like that then the colour isn't completely all over the wall, it's just halfway up. Not halfway, like just most of the way. I just really like it. There's something I really like about it. I think it looks classy. And then over here we have our little reading corner. So we've got this bookcase. There was one that I really wanted, like a spinny one, which I'll link, but it was £300, and I just thought that was ridiculous money to spend on a bookcase. But I really wanted one that she could see all the covers, so she could get them out easily. And I really like this one. And this was from Verdeboat, I think it's called, but I'll link it. Another Desenio print. I think that colour is actually perfect. The paint is lick paint. I think it's pink number 3, but I will write it in the description. And then I have this little tenty thing. It's like a little reading nook. She's got some books, a little bean bag in there, and some teddies, which I've just chucked in because I was just taking pictures without them. And we decided to put a radiator cover in here. We weren't sure about radiator covers, but actually it's so nice. So we painted that with the same as a wall paint. But the window, I don't know if you'll see it, or it's not a very nice window at all, and it goes onto a wall pretty much. It's like bright white. But yeah, we just decided that having that kind of made the window look not quite so bad, because the radiator was awful too. And I just think it looks really nice, especially with the picture rail. The curtains are from made.com, I believe, or John Lewis. No, I think they're John Lewis any day. They're cheaper range. And this light, everyone comments on, and it's just from IKEA actually. I'll link it. I just link everything. I don't know why I keep saying I'll link it. This chair is from made.com. We got ages ago. The only thing is we were using it in our living room for a while, and my friend said you can't see anything, and maybe you guys can't because you're used to, you've just seen it now, but to me it looks really dirty from like dark coloured jeans on it. So that's a bit annoying, but yeah, that's from Zara Home a long time ago, but I'll see if they've got a similar one. A little rocking horse and Mums and Papas, and then they had these wardrobes all the way long before, and I just got my mum to make, because she's really good with sewing and knitting and everything, these little curtains that go behind the windows, and I just think it adds to the room. Looks really nice. So yeah, and they're like a full wall of wardrobes, so it's great for storage. We didn't want to get rid of that. And yeah, that's her room. I wanted it to be fun, but not too like chaotic, because she's sleeping in here obviously. So yeah, I'm sure it'll get added to over the years too. So it's kind of like a blank canvas a bit at the moment, but not too blank. Let me know what you guys think. and I'll share the nursery when it's ready too. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!